While simple keyword searches are a great way to find information and research in the library's collection, you can use advanced options to refine and fine-tune your searches in order to locate exactly what you're looking for. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then enter some terms in the search box. For example, I'm taking an applied animal nutrition class and I need to get some scholarly sources for my midterm research project. I'll enter the terms livestock nutrition management and press enter. The search results page shows thousands of items, and while I could use the filters to narrow things down, what I really need to do is a bit more advanced searching to refine the items that the catalog is finding for me. I can click the Advanced option, which shows me my initial search terms along with some additional menus and options. You can use the drop-down menu to specify where you want the system to look for the keywords you entered. It defaults to all fields, but you can choose options like all text, author, title, abstract, and more. For this example, I'm going to leave it on all fields, but I use the additional search boxes to refine my results. In the second line, I'm going to enter the term cattle, which will tell the system to look for everything in the catalog that includes the terms livestock nutrition management and cattle. That's not all, though. In the third box, I'm going to enter the term poultry, and then use the AND drop-down menu to get more specific. These menu options are called boolean operators, and you can use them to specify 3 different parameters for your search terms: and, or, and not. In this case, I'm going to select not. The system is now going to exclude results related to poultry, which helps me get more targeted results that are closely aligned with the research I'm looking for. You can go even farther with your searching using these advanced options. For example, if I click the Add Row option, I can enter another search term. I'll once again change the Boolean operator to not and enter the term fish. When I click Search, my results are now much more targeted to the information I am looking for. I can then use the filters to narrow my results down using parameters like peer-reviewed journals, a date range, various source types, and more. Let's take one more look at the advanced search screen. I can build on my original search by changing keywords, adding rows, changing fields, or using additional Boolean operators. I can click the Clear button to start over with a new search. And finally, you can use the Search Options menu to change how the search algorithm works as it looks through all the scholarly sources in our collection. Generally, we recommend leaving these at their default values, but you can select any of the options if you find that they're giving you better results for your research. If you want to reset everything back to default, just click the Reset button. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.